Gabrielle, charges have been filed. 45 people hurt or killed in this massacre here in Highland Park. 7 counts of first-degree murder, and the arraignment will take place later this morning in the Lake County Courthouse, which is in Waukegan, about 25 minutes away. Authorities say that there are going to be a lot more charges, though, related to all of those people who were injured. The shooting suspect, 21-year-old Robert Crimo III, is accused of unleashing a killing spree on children and adults during the Highland Park 4th of July parade on Monday. Authorities say he opened fire from a rooftop. They say he had planned the attack, dressed in women's clothing to disguise himself, shot dozens of people, and then blended in with the people who were fleeing for their lives. They said that Crimo drove to his mother's house, then went to Madison, Wisconsin, then ended up back at his mother's house in the area. An alert citizen saw him on the road, and police arrested him after pulling over his car. Investigators say that he obtained high-powered firearms legally and that there had been contact with police in years past. They took into evidence 5 different weapons that were said to belong to this suspect. Police revealed that there had been a domestic complaint in which they had to go to Crimo's house, and he apparently had threatened his family. They took weapons from that house, knives, and then returned them to the owner because no charges were filed in that. The investigation not over here. Police still looking for video or photographs. They say that a woman was seen on video carrying a red blanket, and inside that blanket was the rifle that was left behind here at the crime scene. So they are still actively investigating here in Highland Park, and the downtown area where all this happened is still locked down. I'm Joni Lum reporting live. Gabrielle?
And thank you, Joni, for those updates. Is there any information on a potential motive? We obviously know that he came into contact with police in the past, but why this date? Why this parade?
Police are still determining. Right now they say they know of no motive, but so much has come out. They've been very forthcoming about their investigation, and the suspect himself has been talking to police. You might know that this suspect had an online presence, was trying to be a rapper, had apparently joined some groups online, the darker part of the internet. They say that after that 2019 experience with police, shortly after that, the suspect got his firearm owner's identification card and then started purchasing weapons legally over the next year or so. So all the weapons that he owned were obtained legally, and now authorities are very concerned about how they're going to stop violence like this. Gabrielle?
Certainly so many questions left to be answered. Joni Lum, thank you very much for the time and all of the details. I'm sure we'll be touching base again later on today as this suspect is expected back in court. Stay safe.
Thanks. Have a good day.
You as well, and we do want to let you know that we're going to continue to monitor this ongoing investigation as we look back at video in the hours after this attack happened in Highland Park just 48 hours ago.